Today I'm using my Fuji Semi-Pro 2 with a 1.5mm cap set to spray Varathane Poly on the drawers for my built-in cabinets. I'm filling 3 liners at a time so I can quickly switch empty liners for full ones rather than refilling a single liner. I would much rather clean up extra liners at the end of the day than refilling a single liner, as it breaks up my workflow and I tend to make a mess. While I was waiting for the drawer faces to dry, I went ahead and polyurethane the bottoms using a foam brush upstairs in my house. And I think that'll make things easier. I don't have to worry about doing the bottoms now, and I can always just put it on the bottom. I also have everything tagged with some painter's tape so that I can match the drawers up with the drawer faces. After getting a coat on all the drawers, I'm using a wet paper towel to clean off the spray tip and a rubber band to hold it in place while the coat dries. This allows me to spray all day, and I only have to clean the gun at night. When I first started with the Fuji, I didn't do this, and I had material dry on the spray tip and clog my spraying. But since using the wet paper towel to clean the tip and then securing it in place with the rubber band, I haven't had any problems, and I usually spray multiple coats over an entire day. Now that the coat's dried and I've refilled my liners, I can do a quick check of the spray pattern and get right back to spraying. When a liner is empty, I can just pop it out and put a cap in it. This prevents the leftover paint from drying in it before I either refill it or clean it at night. Then I can just drop in a full liner and get back to spraying. I find this way faster, easier, and cleaner than trying to refill an empty liner. After getting 3 coats done, I called it a day. I cleaned up the gun and the liners, and the next morning I started by scuff sanding the drawers with a 3M fine sanding pad and vacuuming everything off. I loaded up the liners and I got right back to spraying. I ended up spraying 6 coats over the weekend. There's no way I could have done that without the Fuji Semi-Pro 2. I think spraying poly is really where the Fuji shines. Thanks for watching. I hope you consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and using my affiliate links. It really helps little channels like mine. And stay tuned for the wrap-up video on my Closet 2.0 series. I don't want to oversell it, but it's spectacular. I'll see you then.
How about that?